Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glide Studio, and today I am going to teach you how you will do radial array in Sketchup. In the last video tutorial I discussed how you can do copy in Sketchup and make a multiple copies and linear array. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can do radial array. So first I will go and show you how you can do linear array if you have missed my tutorial. So I am going to select the object, and object is chair here, and I am going to select this chair here, and after that I will use this move tool, and you can see how my mouse shape is changed and it has taken the shape of move here. And now you are required to enter control on keyboard, and you can see this plus sign, that is that you are ready to make a copy of this. And after this you will go to this bottom part endpoint and you will select here and you will move in whatever direction. If you want to make copy, I want to make in green direction, so I am going to move here, and in the right side you can enter distance here. This is for entering distance, at what distance you want your chair to be placed. So I am going to enter 3 feet here, and after that I will enter the number of chairs I want. So I am going to enter 6 and X and then enter. So you can see this is the linear process, and I have made tutorial in my previous one, so you can refer that. So I am going to now show you how you can do radial array. So first I am going to place radial chairs around this table. So how you will do this? I will go to this top view to better understand. So I am going to my camera, and now I will go to standard views and we'll go to top view. So now we are in top view plan here, and now I will move this chair further. I'm going to select this chair and I will press M on my keyboard to move this, and will bring it here. After this now I'm going to make 8 chairs around this, and I'm going to next command, that is rotate, and you are required to place your rotate tool here in the center of the table. And now after selecting rotate tool, I am going to use control key on my keyboard, and you can see this plus sign like we did in move tool in previous tutorial. So I am going to select this chair, and now I am going to move in other direction, and you can see this angle is changing here. So it is 60, 68, 78, whatever angle. If you want to place your chair, you can enter this angle value. So you have to just type. So I am going to place this chair at 45 degrees. So I am going to enter 45 here, and I will enter 45. And after this I will just type 7x, enter, and you can see this is the chair. 8 chairs we have placed around this table, and this is the use of radial tool. So we'll go and view this, and I'm going to use this orbit tool, or you can type O in your keyboard shortcuts, and you can view this is very beautifully placed. So this is the use of radial array. So you can slowly develop your skill, and you can use in Sketchup. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more commands in Sketchup. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.